Hi there, students. Moorish and Moorish. Okay, they're both adjectives and the pronunciation is identical. However, the meaning is very different. So Moorish, O-R-E, this is something that is so tasty, that is so good, that is so nice that you want more, you want to eat more, you want to consume more, you want to drink more. So these nuts are so Moorish that the more you eat, the more you want. Or this phrase, I bet you can't only eat one. This is saying that something is Moorish. You're enjoying it so much that you want more of it. However, with a double O, Moorish, this is related to the Moors or to their culture. Now, the Moors were the Muslim inhabitants of the Maghreb and Spain during the Middle Ages. So, for example, there is a lot of Moorish architecture in southern Spain. For example, the Alhambra is a Moorish palace. So, in some rare cases, you can use both adjectives to describe something. For example, these Moorish olives are very Moorish. So these Arab-like olives are very tasty. The more you eat, the more you want. Okay, so Moorish, double O, of the Berbers, of the North African people. Whereas Moorish, O-R-E, making you want to eat more, to consume more. Something that is so palatable, so wonderful, it makes you want more and more of it. So chocolate can be dangerously Moorish. You might end up eating so much chocolate that you're sick. School food in the UK is definitely not Moorish. Okay, so notice Moorish, O-R-E, wanting more. This is a British word, so you might need to be careful using this word with Americans. They may not understand it. And notice as well, with Moorish, it doesn't just have to apply to food. You could apply it to drink or other consumables, but it's most commonly used to talk about food. The punch was so Moorish that I ended up getting drunk. Now, next question, what about formality? I think I'd probably give both of these words a 5 in formality. I think both these words are flexible. You could use them informally and formally. Although Moorish, double O, North African, this is technical. It describes a type of architecture or a type of culture. And then what about origin? Well, Moorish, O-R-E, I want more and more and more of this. This just comes from the word more. It's something that has the property of more. And the other word, M-O-O-R, comes from Latin. From the Latin word Maurus. And Maurus in Latin meant a person from Mauritania. So we're talking about North Africa. Okay, so Moorish and Moorish. Moorish, you want more of it. Moorish, of the Moorish people, of the inhabitants of Moorish Spain, of the Muslims who lived in the Maghreb. So there you go. I hope my videos are Moorish. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Moorish and Moorish.